Okay, so we're ready to add some broth. So we're going to take the pot and put it on the flame. And I'm going to use beef broth. This is organic beef broth. If you're a vegetarian, feel free to use vegetable broth. You could use some water, although that doesn't tend to flavor it as well. I'm going to take out my measuring cup, and I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of broth. Because what's going to happen is that all the water from the vegetables is also going to be drawn out, and we don't want it to be too brothy. All that nice flavor from the kimchi is going to start to soak in as soon as this comes to a boil. Okay, and then we'll give it a little stir. And we'll get that kimchi down there in the broth. And then we'll cover it and bring it to a boil. Oh, no, we won't. First, we'll add some spices.